Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I'm Shreya here. So today I'm going to share with you all the latest poem that I wrote and the new poem that I wrote here. So sorry guys, because I was not be able to upload videos for many days, but yeah, I came up today with the new poem. I really need to think a very lot and deep to write this poem, but yeah, it's a very inspiring, a very encouraging poem that I wrote. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon near it, so that you get the notification of my poems that I write. um, and please, if you don't like also, please at least share my poem so that everyone can feel the poem that I write, so that they also understand. So let's start with the video. So the title of today's poem is The Day You Go. It's a deep, depressing poem that I wrote, but it's very much encouraging also, that once a person is hurted and is gone totally, then if he or she hears this poem, will surely get the courage, the strength, the self-dependence to get up and work again, to face, to fight against this life, because we have got it. Very lucky to get it. So let's start with the video. Yeah. The day you go. The days go, the weeks past. It becomes weaker and weaker. It's the courage that goes. You become frail and all alone you go. You go unnoticed and untouched by anyone. All alone at the corner of the room, of the deep room. That mysterious face flashing in the burning eyes. Dark and deep near the seaside. The smoke and my that blue watery eyes. The flash of ray didn't appear. Everything was finished in a flash of smashing minutes in hours. The fire was strong and the self-dependent went on. The eyes watered and fire in the scatter. The new sun at a standing there, bringing the courage of today. Forgetting the pain of yesterday and being happy today. Be because you are present there and living it. It goes, it comes. You need to make it more. Don't forget that you are living it. And for your future, you are breathing it. Thank you. So, this was the poem of today. I hope you felt this poem and you understood in what sense I wrote this poem, and what a depressing time it was for me for write this poem. And I can't say anything because you need to feel this poem. If I say the fun, the excitement, you will lose, and feel it, you will get it. So this was the video of today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon here, that so that you get the notification of the poems that I write. So I'll get you in my next video. So stay tuned, stay safe and stay at home and stay indoors. So thank you and bye.